You can have the best website in the world, but it doesn't mean anything unless you've got a good digital partner who knows what they're doing to make sure you're seen. I've always been a creative person. I was the arty kid at school. I fell into a career for about 15 years as a brand manager in the fashion industry, product developer. But approaching the age of 40, I decided to go right back to my roots and try and make a living at being an artist, which was pretty tough. So I supplemented my income with teaching workshops in social venues, cafes, places like that. But of course, COVID came along. The pandemic just closed everything down. So we sent out the tools, materials by post in takeaway containers and recorded some short videos so people could continue being creative at home in lockdown. And it's just not stopped since. So our kits are tried and tested. We know exactly what students need to be able to enjoy a class, whether it's choice of colour or quality of materials or really clear instructions. And we also aim at a more gifting customer because people are now looking to gift a creative experience. So our kits and art supplies will arrive with you in a more, let's say, handmade condition or luxury wrapping, gift wrap. We very often gift wrap things in eco-friendly paper and twine. So we're really looking to get that handmade gift experience in all of our product range. What I love most about what I see on our customers' faces when they open a kit or come to a creative workshop is the joy that it sparks in that moment. You can see that this is a real treat for some people and they get lost in the moment. So before Add People, I did very little in terms of marketing. I don't have a marketing background, I knew nothing. I mean, we started the business on Etsy, so we were really making use of that platform and their pull of customers in that way. It was a really big deal for me to choose to do my own website, but very quickly I learnt that we needed some digital marketing to go behind it. I think the challenges we saw before Add People were that we were creating content, but we weren't really finding the right audiences. I think you really need a partner who's got the expertise to be able to help you from a technical point of view. You know, I'm the artist and I'm running the business and I need to focus on that and that vision. So it was really important for us to have the technical side covered by people who know what they're doing. Probably the most significant improvement, I mean, of course, revenue. We've been really lucky and everyone's worked really hard. So we've seen growth in revenue in that respect. This year, I think we're about 30% up, which is great. But I'd say the traffic has only increased to our website by about 5%. So the conversion is just through the roof. I think at this point last year, it was less than 2% conversion, and I've just looked this morning and we're nearly 3% conversion. So as a business owner, every penny counts. So that really matters to me, that, you know, all the effort and expense that we're all going to, that we're maximising it and getting the most out of the efforts that we're all making.
So when Catherine came on board with us, we introduced a full funnel structure into her meta advertising. So that included traffic generation, sales, and kind of an awareness piece as well for her. Since working with Clever Hands, performance has improved significantly. We have increased revenue by 98%, and we have more than doubled the return when comparing this year versus last year. In the first 12 days of May this year, we've already smashed our revenue for the whole of May last year. So we can really see some, strong growth, and we're really looking forward to what this year holds.
So we're focusing on much more products, art supplies, focusing primarily on gifting. We've seen a huge increase on people searching for birthdays, unique presents, handmade gifts, things like that. So we're not only increasing spend, but we're actually increasing spend smartly. In terms of stats for Q1 2026 in comparison to 2025, we've seen over an 8% increase in our Google Ads, which is phenomenal, and then including a huge increase in our ROAS figure as well, to about 500% in comparison to last year when we were around 200. So again, not just increasing our spend, but we're actually doing it in a smart way, really streamlining our budgets to what we know works best, and that's really led to an overall efficient account, bringing a lot more profitability for Catherine, which I'm delighted with.
The best advice I could give to anyone thinking to start a business would be brave. Unfortunately, you're going to have to find the courage every day. Success is never guaranteed, but for sure it won't happen unless you show up. Gone are the days where you can just rent a shop, open the till and wait for people to turn up. You've got to be digital, you've got to have a backbone, like an e-com side of the business, and you've got to let people engage with you face to face. I think that's going to be the future of e-com and retailing and any business really. People are looking to be part of the brand and not just be sold something in a transactional way. So yeah, that would be my best tip. Be brave and engage in different ways.